This is an enrichment enclosure designed to not only mentally stimulate the possums but also give them a bit of a physical challenge. So we've got some really novel enrichment items in here for the possums to play with. Everything from ladders to poles that bend when they jump on them. We've got a really fun windmill here which rotates when the possums jump on it. And this is to sort of mimic their natural habitat where things will move in the wild and they need to be prepared for that movement. So this seesaw has been especially designed for Leadbeater's possums. So they like to spend a lot of time on this, making it move. They run up and down and quickly figure out that it does move. We're finding that they're really learning quite quickly. They're a very intelligent species. So the more time they spend in here, the better they're able to navigate themselves around, and it makes for some really quite entertaining footage. Possums, when they get released in the wild, need to be able to cope with a really changing habitat. So ultimately it's going to be something that they can use to build up their fitness before going into the wild.